Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the PDF preview pane not working on your Windows 10 or 11. Let's begin. First, I want you to go ahead and open the folder where your PDF file is located. For example, this if we're going to hover on it, or this exactly nothing is happening, it's just the standard icon for PDF. What you can do is go over here, click on View, and make sure to select preview pane. All right. Same goes for Windows 11. It will show more options and then select preview pane. Now, if that still doesn't work, what you can do next is go to options and then over here, go to the view tab and make sure this option is disabled. Always show icons, never thumbnails. Scroll down here, show preview handlers in preview pane. Make sure this is enabled. Then just go ahead, click on apply and then OK. Next, what you need to do is open up the PDF viewer or Acrobat itself. Click on menu, then go to preferences in the general tab, click on it, scroll down, and you will see an option enable PDF thumbnail previews in Windows Explorer. Make sure this is enabled, click on it. Then once done, click on OK or click on save. And it might take a while like this. It's showing up a loading screen. Just be patient. And once done, you can go back to your PDF file and everything should now be working smoothly for the previews. It's done. Let me check my file and boom, there you go. It is now working. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.